Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can speed up your computer. How you can make your FLSTUDIO or any DAW work perfect. So how you can free up space on your machine so that you will not be experiencing those latency or those low processing of data. Alright, so the very first thing we're gonna do is to clear any unwanted data on our computer, and to do that I want you to hit the Windows key plus the R button on your keyboard, and I want you to type this %temp %. Alright, then hit OK. So guys, this is gonna open this temp folder. These are all files that are taking much of your space, so all you need to do is to click on one of them, then hit Ctrl+A to highlight everything. And if you right click and delete over here, it will move to your recycle bin. So you have to go back to your recycle bin and delete it again. Alright, so how can we delete this permanently without going to the recycle bin? All you need to do is to hit Ctrl+A to highlight, then now leave that and press Shift plus delete key on your keyboard like this, and this gonna bring the delete multiple items, saying are you sure you want to permanently delete these 106 items. All you need to do is to hit yes, and this gonna delete this. Anytime this pops up, all you have to do is to turn on this, check mark, do this for all current items, then click skip, and this will skip those files that the computer need. Alright, and clear those that are taking space, which are not doing anything. Alright, so click skip, wait for it to delete those items. It might take a little bit time because you have not cleared your computer over the past years, the past month, or the past week, depending on your processing power, your RAM. So let's wait for this to clear. So these are the files that your computer needs, so you can't actually delete this. Now let's close this and do the same thing, Windows plus R, and next we're gonna type temp. Alright, next over here type temp, TEMP. It can be capital or it can be capital letters or small letters, then hit OK. And this one too gonna open this folder. All you need to do is do the same thing, Ctrl+A to highlight everything, then shift plus delete key to delete everything permanently like this, then do this for all current. Alright, so it should keep those that the computer need. Super simple like this. Now you can now see that when I right click, the computer has started running fast. Alright, so let's do the same thing, Windows plus the R on the keyboard, and next what you're gonna type is prefetch. Alright, so next I want you to type prefetch over here. As usual, it can be both characters or small letters, then hit OK, and this gonna ask you to give it permission. All you need to do is to hit continue. And guys, these are also raw data or files that are taking enough space on your machine, your C drive. So all you need to do is to press Ctrl+A to highlight everything, delete it permanently by holding shift together with the delete key on your keyboard, and do the same thing, hit yes, then do this for all current items, skip. Alright, and it's gonna delete everything. Now guys, you can see when I click, it's open. Alright, the moment you click, your computer will start running fast like this. Can you see? And we are not done. I want your FLSTUDIO or your DAW, I mean your computer, to work more faster. Alright, so after doing this, what you have to do is to clean up your disk drive, and what you have to do next is to hold Windows plus S. Alright, or you can just go here and type disk cleanup. Alright, type disk cleanup. Alright, it will open here, then click on that. And guys, I want you to select your C drive. Make sure you select your C drive, I mean where most of your programs had been installed. Alright, your C drive, then hit OK. When you hit OK, wait for it. It's gonna pop up like this, as you can see, and this gonna come. What you need to do is to turn on everything here, check mark everything here. Then what you need to do is to hit OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this files? Hit delete files. I mean, nothing will happen to your computer. Just delete them. These are temporary internet recycled temporary files, terminals, which are taking more space on your machine. Alright, now you can see when we click on this icon, it will open fast like that. Guys, can you now see the difference? Next thing you have to do is to uninstall any program that you are not using. So what you have to do is to come to the search button again, then search control panel. Alright, so search control panel, then this is gonna open the control panel. Now you can see the machine is running fast. Then I want you to click on install a program. Then guys, what you have to do is to browse through all these installed programs on your computer. The one that you are not using, I mean those that you don't want, just right click and uninstall them. I am using everything here, so I'm not gonna uninstall everything. So just click on that and uninstall any program that you are not using, and this is gonna free up more space. Now let's go to FLSTUDIO. After that, open your FLSTUDIO, then go to options, then go to audio settings. Alright, super simple. Over here, choose your audio interface. I mean, if you are using Focusrite, Scarlett, M-Audio, Presonic, just choose your audio interface from here. Then if the buffer length is at the lowest, I want you to drag it to this side. Alright, and this gonna prevent latency. Alright, over here just right click and reset everything. Change the proximity to highest, the playback tracking, change it to mixer. Then you can toggle on multi-threaded generator processor and multi-threaded mixer processor. Alright, then what you have to do is to turn on smart disable. Pretty simple, guys. After that, your machine or your DAW will be working fast. Alright, let's go to the mixer track and try and load any plugin. Alright, if it's auto tune artist, you can see the moment we click, it has opened. Super simple. If you do this and still your machine is not running fast, what you need to do is upgrade your specs. I mean, you can change your RAM, upgrade to a higher version. If you are using 4GB or 8GB RAM, you can switch to maybe 12GB RAM or 16GB RAM. And you can also go to your folders and delete any file that you don't like, and this gonna speed up your machine. Now you can see when I right click, it just pop up. I'm not using a higher RAM. Alright, super simple. If you have not watched this video, stop using bad auto tune. The link will be in the description box, and I will take you through how to use auto tune like a pro. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, let me know where you are watching me from. Free up your machine and start making more beats. making more tracks. Come back for more. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.